Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. We have rice with frozen vegetables. It's a simple and delicious recipe. Now, the ingredients for this dish is frozen vegetables, rice, olive oil, curry, chili flakes, garlic, salt, and pepper. We begin with a pan, medium to high heat. We add some olive oil. When the oil is hot enough, we add the garlic. We cook it for around 10 to 15 seconds. Now, we add the chili flakes and carry on cooking for another 15 seconds before we add the vegetables. The oil that you see is gonna get so much flavor from the garlic, the chili flakes, and the curry later on that when we add the rice, it's just gonna absorb it all and give it great flavor. Let's add the vegetables now and cook them for around a minute before we add the curry. This recipe goes great with chicken or a nice juicy steak. Even on its own, it's a great dish. Let's add the curry now and give everything a little mix. Let's add a couple of pinches of salt. And one nice pinch of pepper. Give everything a really good mix. Now we add the rice, which I cooked ahead of time. We have to give everything a really good mix so the rice could start absorbing all that flavor. Now that we added the rice, we want to add one more pinch of salt and one more pinch of pepper. We want to give it one last little stir, and then you're ready to serve. And, like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!